Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about underwear, but not just any underwear. I have discovered a Canadian company designed in Toronto. It is fantastic. They are ethically produced and can be delivered to your door every month or bi-monthly. And the best part is they're actually totally affordable, which is awesome. What is this amazing company? Knotty Knickers, of course. So, let me point out as well, this is not a sponsored video at all. I spent my own money to get the subscription and everything, and it has just arrived, and I am super excited to share it with you. And stick around to the end of the video for kind of I guess, my attempt at a modelly try-on to show you what the undies actually look like on a real human. So let's get started.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
So now Knotty Knickers actually has 3 different packages to choose from. The Knotty package, which is just strings and thongs. The Nice package, which is full coverage undies and panties. And the Sugar and Spice package, which is a mix of kind of thongs and full coverage. And that is the package that I went for. And I actually am getting them every 2 months. And I got the package of 3 undies. And so it's costing me $8.99 Canadian, plus a couple extra dollars only for shipping. Now, for my first order, I also got the lounge set included. Paid a little bit extra for that, not much extra. And that is a bralette and a comfy undies. So, yeah, they're right here. Let's get opening them. So I thought I would open the undie and bralette lounge set first and see exactly, you know, what, ooh, that's, there's the bralette. I mean, it's very, very well made. How pretty is that lace? It's super soft inside. Straps are adjustable. It has a nice, thick, triple hook and eye closure here, which for us, you know, bigger chested gals is always good. I did follow their size instructions and got a large, so we will have to see if it's going to, you know, contain me. And let's check the undies. So, oh, wow, these look super comfortable. I mean, wow, this is really pretty, really great quality. Really, I am super excited to try these on. Let's move on to the actual subscription part now. The 3 Sugar and Spice mix undies here. And hey, let's do pink ones first. Because, you know, kind of matches my shirt. Ooh, they're not just pink. They have kind of a ombre effect going on there. I'm really curious how comfortable these are going to be. I don't really go for the kind of bum flossy type of thongs, but again, it looks really, really well made, really sturdy. I mean, for the kind of tiny amount of fabric that it is, and yeah, really pretty colors. Next, let's go for the nice floral, which actually again matches my top. Oh, and if you want to know how I made this top, I shall put the link somewhere around and down below for you guys, so you can make your own quite cool vintage floral top. Okay, wow. These are, I believe they're called laser cuts when the fabric is, you know, like that. And I actually love this fabric so much. These clearly are the full coverage ones and very, very stretchy. These I feel super silky, and I think they're going to be absolutely awesomely comfortable, especially at that time of the month. And last but not least, yellow. Oh, totally matching. I really picked a good top to wear to do this video. And, ooh, wow, these are super sunshiny, and they might not look like much from the front, but how pretty is that lace on the back? So pretty, and these are, again, so super soft. I think these are all going to be pretty darn comfortable, and yeah, I am very, very excited to try them on. And like I said before, this is not a sponsored video at all. I had seen the ads for Knotty Knickers constantly actually on Instagram, read some awesome reviews, watched some other YouTuber reviews, and thought, you know what? They are so reasonably priced. It's a Canadian company. Let's support local business. They are ethically made according to the info and everything on their website. So, yeah, and right, let's go do the try on. So what do you think of the fit and everything? I can actually tell you everything fit super comfortably, and I did get, as I said before, I got everything in a size large according to the size chart and recommendations on their site, and really everything did fit me, even the bralette, which, I mean, it's a bralette, right? I wear from 32E and kind of up in the bras, and it's not the most supportive thing in the world, but again, it's a lounge set, so I shall definitely be wearing it under my, you know, loungy t-shirts and stuff, or hanging out around the house. It's more than supportive enough for that, and everything really so comfortable. So I really am recommending that you give Knotty Knickers a try. Their subscription prices start from just $3.99 Canadian, you know, for per month, per undie. So you can't really go wrong with that. And yeah, like I said, I got the triple pack of the sugar and spice. And yeah, if you guys would love to see more videos like this, I would love to make more videos like this. So yeah, leave your product recommendations down below. And of course, try to make it things that are ethically produced and sustainable and eco, because that's what Confessions of a Refashionista is all about. And yeah, head on over, as I always say, to refashionistasherry.com for all of my tips and tricks and rockin' refashionista tutorials. Plus, check me out on Instagram at refashionistasherry. I'm everywhere, all over online. Share your favorite tutorials, videos, tips, tricks from my site with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more sustainable lifestyle. Because being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.